Hi, I'm Ken. We're going to talk a little about managing blog entries. At some point, you're going to have a lot of different blog entries, and there's kind of a dashboard level where you can control your blog. Let's look at how to get to that. First off, if you're signed in as the administrator of your website or the owner of your blog, you're going to find that it looks slightly different than how the public sees it. In particular, as you move your cursor around, you'll see these little frames open up. And there will be a frame that opens all the way around your blog, and in the upper left corner you'll see the word edit. That's how you control your blog. And once you click that, you're going to see a page that looks like this. It's going to give you here, you see a list of all the blog articles you've done, and you notice here it breaks it into the latest articles you've written, and below it says drafts. Drafts means those things that you've, the blog entries you've been working on, but you haven't published so that the outside world can see them. Up here, this is just some fun stats on your site. It shows the 6 articles that people have seen and read the most, and this happens to be based on my blog called kensblog.com, and as you can see, it's pretty active. I've got a lot of articles that are up in 20,000 people having seen them, and overall my blog's had 6.9 million views. That's a pretty incredible number. Let's see. This section talks about blogging by email, which is kind of fun if you want to be able to, particularly if you're in places with kind of a crummy internet connection. It gives you a way to just use your cell phone or your computer via email and post your blog that way. So if you're interested in that, I'd encourage you to click on that. Let's look here at if you click on the left where it says blog articles. That gives you a full list of all the articles on your website, all of the blog entries. And notice that each of them has on the left this section that says edit media, edit article, or remove article. Those should be pretty obvious except edit media, which says that's where you go to control the pictures that are on the blog entry. Over on the right you see something that says tags. That's so that you can tag individual articles as to their subject matter, and then visitors to your blog can look for them by the subject matter. Next up, it talks about blog sharing. And by sharing, it means how you share it with the outside world. For instance, posting it to Facebook, posting it to Twitter, or sending it out via email. This next section, blog by email. This is where you go to set up blogging by email, and there's 2 different methods. One which is straightforward, where you just type it and send it, and the other where we have a lot of extra advanced modes to control exactly the formatting. Next section talks about how you do comments, so that people that read your blog entry, if they want to comment on the blog via the website or your blog online or via email, this is where you set all that up. And you can actually moderate it so that if people are posting things you don't want, you can block them or delete their comments. Next section down is, it's for where you connect to social media and control the buttons that appear on your pages for likes and stuff on social media. And that's it. That's a quick look through the dashboard. I'd encourage you, once you get your blog going, to click on everything and see what all's there. And that's it. Thank you.